iXR Lab's servo motor machine module helps students to identify the different components and understand the working of a servo motor. Let's explore the various features of the servo motor machine module in detail. So here is a servo motor which is inside a virtual lab. We can point at the different components and drag them anywhere in the virtual space. We can also grab any part so that it comes closer and we can observe it in detail. To know more about each part in detail, let's click on the separate parts option. The servo motor splits into its constituent parts and its brief description pops up at the bottom. Clicking on any part like this DC motor brings it closer and it starts to rotate if we keep pointing on it. We also get to see a description about the DC motor and how it contributes to the overall working. Now let's reset the parts and select the X-ray view option of the machine module. We get to see a proper labeling of all the parts, and clicking on any part makes it visible inside the servo motor. The X-ray view feature helps to get an understanding of where the different parts are located inside. To understand the working of these different parts or the overall working of the servo motor, let's click on the Show Working feature. We are presented with an introduction to the servo motor, and if we move forward, we get to see the first stage, that is the power supply stage. In this stage, power is supplied to the control unit and the DC motor starts to rotate. A gearbox is used to reduce the shaft speed and increase torque. Next is the position control stage, where the potentiometer is connected to the final gear. A variable voltage is produced as the potentiometer rotates. In the control circuit stage, the input voltage from the potentiometer is compared with the voltage coming from the signal line. The control unit activates the H bridge if needed, which enables the motor to rotate in either direction until the difference between the two signals reaches zero.